Hey everybody, it's Scott with the Elevated Bear. I am your chief bear tender, and I'm excited to bring you a new beverage today called the Spice and Slice. Last weekend, I was getting ready for my first workshop and happened upon the folks over at Caliwater. Very excited to meet them. They have this amazing ginger lime cactus water. Actually, they have a variety of flavors, but this is the one that really spoke to me. In part because at the workshop on Sunday, I offered all of the guests who attended a drink called the Spice and Slice. Now, for that particular drink, I went ahead and used cucumber water as well as ginger beer. But after trying this ginger lime cactus water, I thought this would even be better for a nice, hot, sunny day like we're experiencing in Austin today. So let's go ahead and get to it. The first thing I did was I went ahead and I took 3 baby cucumbers and blended them in my Vitamix with water. And then the next thing I did was strain it out, got that pulp, and poured it into that little bottle you saw. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill up the glass here with the Caliwater, getting some really nice green color in there. This isn't a super bubbly drink, which is one thing that I like about for a hot day. Sometimes carbonation is just like a little too much. I'm going to give it a nice, gentle stir. If you don't have a cocktail spoon at home, that's okay. You can use a straw. And I'm going to go ahead and garnish it here with this cute little cucumber here. And this is the Spice and Slice. We're about to try it in a moment. Let's go ahead and check out the drink. So as we look at it, we can see it's got this beautiful green hue to it. Kind of looks lively and alive. And let's go ahead and smell it. Yeah, so I'm getting definitely the ginger in there. A little bit of the sweetness of the lime, but definitely that cucumber flavor in there, which I love. So this drink was actually inspired by a drink that I had at a restaurant near called The Smith. And it was on their menu and I thought it was delicious. In that particular instance, they used ginger beer, but when I came across the Caliwater, I thought this would be a great drink. So definitely check out the Caliwater. I highly recommend it. And if you come to my next workshop on Saturday, July 26th, we're actually going to be featuring Caliwater in the workshop. So visually, we got a vibrant green. It looks like it's full of life. It smells great. Let's go ahead and taste it. So the first thing I'm noticing is actually the cooling cucumber in the back of my mouth, but then I get the ginger at the tip of my tongue, which I really like. I used, as you saw, I used cucumber juice, but I didn't juice it. Actually, what I did is I blended mini cucumbers in my Vitamix with water, and I did that because I wanted some of that pulp in there, give it a little bit of more of a mouthfeel as opposed to just a juice flavor. Otherwise, it would kind of be one note. This is going to be your great drink for being outside on a hot sunny day, like today here in Texas, or no matter where you are. This would be great to serve just for afternoon hanging out. You could add a little bit of smoked salt to it, and that would be really nice. Bring out some more of those flavors and balance out, the citrus, the ginger, and the cucumber. But again, just 2 ingredients can really elevate a beverage from, something like as simple as cucumber juice and Caliwater, and elevate them to a brand new experience. So I elevate my glass to you. I hope you try it out. Recipe is down below. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you're drinking.